ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய் ஊற்றமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துயிலெழாய் மாற்றார் வலி தொலைந்துன் வாசற்கண் ஆற்றாது வந்து உன் அடிபணியுமா போலே போற்றியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In the previous pasurams, we have had the opportunity to witness Andal's devotion to Krishna, where she ended up waking the Bhagavatottamas between Pasuram 6 and Pasuram 15. Then in Pasuram 16, she woke up the watchmen to Nandagopala and Krishna's house. In Pasuram 17, she woke up her prospect mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law and her husband, prospect husband, to-be husband. In Pasuram 18, 19 and 20, she woke up Nappinai, the beloved of Krishna, and requested him and requested her to speak on Andal's behalf to Krishna. Now Andal, who has gone in the traditional manner to reach Krishna, the Paramatma, has now decided to experience the ananda of waking up Krishna himself. So from this Pasuram, which is number 21, 22, 23, 24 till 25, she wakes up Krishna directly. Now she describes Krishna as the son to Nandagopala. Who is Nandagopala? ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள். Time and again, she has also been describing the cattle race in such beautiful words. One, now that it is Krishna's father Nandagopala's family profession, she wanted to ensure that she speaks nice words about their family profession. Second, now that Krishna had also multiple times expressed his love for the cow and the calves, and now that she has also seen the beauty of the Lord in two kshetrams. One is Rajamannar Gudi in Tamil Nadu, where the Lord is in the form of Rajagopala, where he lets the cows and the calves graze. The other kshetram is called Terelundur, which incidentally is also the birthplace of Kambar. There, the Lord is called Maruvi Appan or Go Sakhan. Hence, she describes Nandagopala as the one who nurtures and manages the entire cattle race, where the prosperity is said. Where if I will have to milk the cows, I bring many pots, and the process of the cow lactating and giving us milk is so natural and is so uncoaxed that even before you take the second vessel to keep in place of the first, because that's already full, the first one will be full. So it wouldn't take a lot of time to fill all the pots. This is very similar to an acharya, a preceptor, a teacher, who spots able students, capable students, and dispenses knowledge accordingly. Yetta kalangal in most commentaries denote the acharya. Yetta kalangal எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள், which is that which gives such sumptuous milk. They are the healthy cows. They are not the cows which were gifted by Nachiketa's father during the performing of his yajna. They were healthy cows. And who is Nandagopala? ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர்பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப்படைத்தான். So Nandagopala is the one who owns such healthy cows. Who is Krishna? Magane. So Atrapadaithan Magane denotes Krishna, who is the son to Nandagopa, who has such healthy cows which give milk in such huge pots when they are uncoaxed out of their natural affection. Then what does she say beyond this? Aachapadaithan magane arivurai, Uttamudayai, the one who has got Shraddha, the one who is so true to his devotees. So Andal tells, now that I have come, you should be true to me as well. Uttamudayai, Periyai, you are gigantic. You may be like a little boy now, but I know for very sure that you are the one who came as Vamana and then grew as Trivikrama and measured the worlds. Uttamudayai, Periyai, Ulaginil Totramain in the Shudare. But you are the one who also glistens and gives radiance to the world by all the luminary bodies that we know in astronomy. Uttamudayai, Periyai, Ulaginil Totramain indra Shudare, Thuilalai. Matrar Valitolaindu Unvasarkan. So if there are people who hurt your devotees, you end up being born. That is the process of an avataram. You fight such people out because you do not want any antisocial elements. You want the society to function as per the rules laid in the Shastras. Aachapadaithan mahane arivurai, Uttamudayai, Periyai, Ulaginil Tottamain indra Shudare Thuilalai, Matrar Valitolaindu Unvasarkan. They lose and they finally come seeking refuge to you. Aatradu vandu un adipaniyuma pole. So, we have also come seeking solace at your doorstep. Here, many acharyas have commented that this pasuram in general could denote a good sadacharya, but in particular, it denotes Bhagavad Ramanuja because he is the one who was so magnanimous enough to bestow knowledge upon all his students. There was one person called Yadava Prakasha who gave the Balapatham, the preliminary, elementary education to Ramanuja. And at one point in time, he was so jealous of his own student Ramanuja that he wanted to kill him. Later, he realized that it is not Ramanuja who is to learn from him, but it is the other way around where he has to become the student. This is how his mother also advised. So he came to the doorstep of Ramanuja as a lost person and learnt knowledge from him. So, Aatadu vandu un adipaniyuma pole potriyam vandom. We have come outside your doorstep, Krishna, to sing your praises. Please do come and listen to our queries, our worries, and grant us the grace and the gift, the parai that we have been imploring from you for a very long time. Please do come out, says Andal in this 21st Pasuram.
Perum Bashukal